Hello guys, welcome to our video. Today we're going to show you how to fix the Nighthawk X6S where it has connectivity issues, where it loses the internet connection every day or every other day. First thing you want to do is you want to go to www.routerlogin.net. There you want to put in your username and password and sign in. As you can see, our firmware version is v1.3.0.10. Now, we will show you our current version and the one you need to downgrade to. Our current version is the one I just said, and we need to downgrade to 1.1.4.6. From here, you will go to a different website. Here's that website. When you get to this website, all you simply want to do is scroll down, nothing else until we say the next step. From here you scroll down. You want to hit firmware version. You want to hit previous version. Your current one is 1.3.0.10, and you want to simply downgrade to firmware version 1.1.4.6. You hit download, you save the download, and then go into your folder where you saved the download. You want to extract that with 7-zip. Well, that's what we use. You can use whatever extracting software you have. You want to go into the file. These are the two files that will be there. The .chk file is the one we need. From here you want to go back to the website you opened, the routerlogin.net. You want to go back into the first website you opened, which was the routerlogin.net. From there, you want to go into Advanced, Administration, and then Router Update, which you'll see us doing right here. Now, from there you want to go to the folder where your file was in, and you want to pick the chk file. You want to hit upload, and that's where it will begin. Hit OK, and bam. There we go. When it comes to this screen, you want to hit yes. And the router is updating its firmware. Your router will then start to reboot, and it might take a little while, up to 2 minutes. Now, as you can see in the top right corner, the firmware version has been updated from 1.3.0.10 to version 1.1.4.6. Now, your router should not pause or disconnect. This has been working very well for us for the past few days. Thank you for watching our videos, and bye.